Hello guys, so sa video na to, tuturo ko sa inyo yung trigo transformation, yung mga cases niya. Tapos tuturo ko rin sa inyo yung mga strategy ko paano sagutan yung mga ganitong tanong. So sa case 1, if m or n is an odd integer, dito sa given na tong sine raised to m x times cosine n raised to n x dx. Kapag odd integer daw sila, odd integer, gagamit ka ng ganitong trigo identities. Itong sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x, o yung Pythagorean identity. So yun. So example integral of sine raised to 4 3x cosine raised to 3 3x dx. So sa given na to, makikita nyo odd integer tong exponent ng ng cosine. So gagawin dyan next, para maging even yan, magiging 4 sine raised to 4 3x cosine squared 3x. Ito naging even integer na siya. So yung isang cosine nilabas ko dyan, so naging dalawa na siya, equal yan sa cosine raised to 3 3x dx. So pagtapos nyan, makikita nyo even na tong dalawa, even na tong pinaka given natin, nilabas lang natin to. So next naman is itong cosine squared 3x. Gagamitin nyo, babaguhin nyo siya ng 1 minus sine squared x. So magiging sine raised to 4 3x quantity, itong cosine squared daw i-convert dito. So magiging 1 minus sine squared 3x. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung yung coefficient, kasi ayun yung minsan yung nakakalimutan lagi. So yan, 1 minus sine squared 3x times cosine 3x dx. So next naman is didistribute mo to dito, itong dalawang to dito sa sa 1 minus sine squared 3x. So magiging sine raised to 4 3x cosine 3x dx. Oops, hindi siya dx. 3x minus sine raised to 6 3x cosine 3x dx quantity dx. So distribute lang to dito. Ayan. So yung pag in-apply dyan yung fundamental property na integral, ganito siya, sine 3x dx minus sine raised to 6 3x cosine 3x dx. So yan na siya. So next na gagawin dyan is let nyo muna, let u is equal to 3x, kasi may 3x ka pa sa loob. So du is equal to 3 dx. So substitute back. Substitute mo to dito. Magiging integral of sine raised to 4 u cosine u du over 3. Kasi ito. Yan. Same din sa kabila. Sin u cosine u du over 3. So yan. So labas muna natin. Magiging 1/3 sine raised to 4 u cosine u du. Nilabas ko lang yung 1/3 kasi yun yung common factor nila. Minus integral of sine 6u cosine u du. So yan, trigo na lang yan, substitution. So let v is equal to sine raised to 4u dv is equal to hindi siya sine raised to 4, sine u lang. So dv is equal to cosine u. Ayun, makikita nyo makakancel na tong cosine. So ganito mangyari, magiging 1/3 integral of u raised to 4 kasi ay v raised to 4 v raised to 4 cosine u dv to dv du to dv over cosine u. So cancel minus integral of v raised to 6 cosine u dv cosine u. Cancel kasi nilagay ko sa baba yung cosine u. Ito, so magiging ganito kasi yan. Magiging du is equal to dv over cosine u. Yan. So yan, matitira dyan is 1/3 integral of v raised to 4 dv minus integral of v raised to 6 dv. So basic yan, integration. So magiging 1/3 times v raised to 5 over 5 minus 1/3 kasi dinistribute ko tong 1/3 times v raised to 7 over 7 plus c. So wait lang. So ayan na, lipat natin dito. So 1/3 times v raised to 5 over 5 minus 1/3 times v raised to 7 over 7 plus c. So combine lang. I mean, times lang muna para hindi malito. Yan. b raised to 5 over 15 minus b raised to 7 over 21 plus c. So, substitute na pabalik. So, ano yung v natin? So, sin u. So, magiging sine raised to 5u over 15 minus sine raised to 7u over 21 plus c. So, ano pang value ng u? Ito. So, sine raised to 5, 3x over 15 minus sine raised to 7, 3x over 21 plus c. So, yan yung final answer sa tanong. Yeah. So, example number 2. Integral of sine raised to 5 2x times cosine raised to 6 2x dx. So, yan, katulad lang ng unang given. Yung ginawa ko lang, mas mataas yung value ng exponent. So, kagaya ng unang given, para maging even tong sine raised to 5, maglalabas tayo ng isang sine. So, magiging sine raised to 4 2x cosine raised to 6 2x. Dito na, sine 2x dx. Ay, nilabas ko lang. So, yan. Pagkalabas, nangyari, itong sine raised to 4 2x, ko-convert mo naman siya sa cosine. So, paano yun? So, sine raised to 4 to. So, magiging 1 minus cosine squared 2x. To 2x huwag niyo kalimutan. Quantity squared kasi sine raised to 4 to, magiging sine squared 2x sine squared 2x. So, bali ganun ang ginawa ko. Naging dalawa siya. Dalawang factor. So, yan. Times cosine raised to 6 2x sine raised to 2x dx. So, expand naman to. So, for method, so magiging 1 minus 2 cosine squared 2x plus cosine raised to 4 2x. Full method, no? So, quantity pa rin yun, ha? Cosine raised to 6 2x sine 2x dx. Then, substitute, distribute this into this, papunta dito. So, magiging integral of cosine raised to 6 2x sine 2x minus 2 cosine 8 2x sine 2x plus cosine raised to 10 2x sine 2x. Dinistribute ko lang tong buong to dito, and dito. So, eto na siya, buong yan. So, dx. So, next naman is apply fundamental. Paghiwalay lang tong tatlong term na to. So, magiging integral of cosine raised to 6 2x sine 2x dx minus 2 kasi 2 integral of cosine raised to x 2x sine 2x dx kasi constant yung 2. So plus dito na lang nilagay ko kasi di kasya, plus integral of cosine 10 2x sine 2x dx. So since mayroon pa tayo dito sa loob na 2x, yan, gawin natin u is equal to 2x, du is equal to 2 dx. Yan. So magiging integral of cosine raised to 6 u du over 2 minus 2 integral of cosine raised to 8 u sine u du over 2. Cancel na to kasi constant silang parehas, plus cosine 10 2x sine cosine raised to 10 u times sine u du du over 2. So yan. Next, oops, meron tayo sine u dito, sine u kasama yan. So next naman is let v is equal to let v is equal to cosine u. So dv is equal to negative sine u du. Ayan, haba to. So yan, pagka substitute mo pagka ulit mo, substitute back mo na dito. So magiging integral of v raised to 6 sine u dv over negative sine u. Cancel minus integral of v raised to 8 sine u dv over negative sine u. Yan. Cancel plus integral of v raised to 10 sine u dv over negative sine u. Cancel. So matitira is v raised to 6 dv integral minus integral of v8 dv plus v10 dv. Oops, nakalimutan tayo. Yung itong 2 pala, ito dapat maging 1 half to. Ito wala na to kasi na-cancel nga. So dito may 1 half pa. 1 half. Itong 2 nakalimutan natin kaya may 1 half pa. So dito dapat may 1 half. Ito rin 1 half. So yan, normal integration. Integrate ng v raised to 6 is v raised to 7 over 7 minus v raised to 9 over 9 plus 1 half times v raised to 11 over 11 plus c. So combine lang natin, magiging 14 v raised to 7 minus v raised to 9 over 9 plus 22 v raised to 11 times now plus c. Oops. So yan, ito lilipat natin dito. Yung given sine raised to 5 2x cosine 6 2x dx. Ayun yung given, reload ko lang. So ito, substitute natin yung b. Ano yung b natin? Ito, cosine u. So magiging cosine raised to 7 u over 14 minus cosine raised to 9 u over 9 plus cosine 11 u over 22 plus c. Ano yung u natin? Ito, 2x. So cosine raised to 7 2x over 14 minus cosine raised to 9 2x over 9 plus cosine raised to 11 2x over 22 plus c. Yan. Ito yung final answer sa given na to.